How would you like to know how to make a pecan pie that will not send your blood sugar soaring and is actually good for you? Hi, I'm Joann and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I have been uncooking since 2010. We're here to help you in going more raw to restore energy and immunity. So today we're going to be making raw pecan pie. It is a much healthier version of the traditional, so let's get started on how to do this. First we have to make the crust, and this crust can be used for any pie you make, any dessert you make, cheesecakes, whatever. But it's just a basic nut crust for your desserts, and I'll show you how. It's very easy. I've got 2 cups of soaked walnuts, about 6 to 7 medjool dates that have been pitted. It depends on how big they are or how juicy they are as to how many you might need. But in this case I have 6 because mine were pretty soft and juicy and gooey and just good. And we have a tablespoon of melted coconut oil, a little bit of vanilla, and then a pinch of salt. This is pink Himalayan is what I'm choosing today. And now we want to check it, and what we want to find is it is nice and chopped and coming together, and when you pick it up it should kind of stick together in your hands like this, and you can form it. That's pretty much what you want. So it looks like this is good. So now we're going to get our pie plate. Dump this in. And just form it into the pan. Get it nice and smooth and even. So I'm going to put that in the fridge, and we're going to be back, and I'm going to show you how to make the filling for it. Okay, now we're ready to make the filling for our pecan pie. And you know how pecan pie normally has the corn syrup, the sugar, and all those other unhealthy ingredients to make that middle layer. Well, we're going to do that same sort of concept, but we're going to have, instead of the corn syrup and the sugars, we're going to use dates and coconut butter, which is not the same as coconut oil. It is basically just desiccated coconut that you buy in a jar, and it's really good if you want to even put it on breads or crackers or as a healthy spread for any other thing you might use. But anyway, here to get started, we're going to put a cup of pecans, and I use the chopped ones because number one, they're cheaper and they're going to get chopped up anyway. It doesn't matter. A cup of dates that we pitted. And if they are too stiff, they feel dry, sometimes they do, just soak them in water, warm water, for about 20 minutes or so, and they'll soften up. Our coconut butter, some vanilla, about 1/3 of a cup of water, and then our spices, which include cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. And we'll save these pecans for later to embellish, to garnish it with. Okay, here we go. Mix this up. So now you take some pecan halves and just go around the whole pie. Put the pecans on top. This can take anywhere from 1 to 2 cups of pecans, depending on how big your pecans are. And when you get this all finished, you're going to put it in the freezer, and you store it in the freezer. When you're ready to serve it, bring it out about maybe 15 minutes before you want to serve it, and let it sit at the room temperature to get a little softened up but still be firm. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos that we upload weekly. Also, and don't forget to download the free recipe booklet we prepared for you in the description below. Happy Thanksgiving!